This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Here's the truth. You don't have to be a prompt engineer. You don't need a PhD in computer science. You don't need to memorize 100 frameworks. You don't even need years of experience, because I'm about to show you the cheat codes to prompting like a pro. And before we dive in, let me ask one thing. Hit join, like, and subscribe right now. It helps this channel grow. It helps me create more content like this, and it lets me keep giving away these strategies for free. Now let's talk cheat codes. I still remember the very first cheat code I ever learned. It wasn't for AI, it was for Nintendo. The game was Contra, and the code was legendary. Up, up, down, down, left, right, A, B, select, start. Boom, unlimited lives. Suddenly, a tough game became fun. A good game became great. It was the same with Mario Brothers. Once you learned to bump the turtles just right, you could stack lives and play endlessly. That's what today's episode is about. AI prompting has cheat codes, and once you know them, you stop struggling, you stop feeling overwhelmed, and you start winning. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to get AI to work for you, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Section 1. The myth of prompt engineers. When AI first went mainstream, the buzzword was prompt engineering. People imagine prompt engineers as these secret geniuses like hackers with glowing screens and endless power. And don't get me wrong, there are amazing prompt engineers out there. But here's the thing, you don't need to be one. Why? Because the AI is built to meet you where you are. You just need a few shortcuts, the cheat codes, to make it perform like you've been doing this for years. Think about it. Not everyone who drives a car needs to be a mechanic. Not everyone who edits a video needs to be a software engineer. And not everyone who prompts AI needs to be a prompt engineer. What you do need is to know the right moves. Section 2. Why beginners struggle. Let's get real. Most people type in weak prompts. Stuff like, write me a business plan, make a YouTube script, design me a logo. And what do they get? Generic, boring, cookie cutter outputs. It's not that the AI is bad, it's that the instructions are bad. Here's the good news. You don't need to spend months studying prompts. You just need a handful of cheat codes that level you up instantly. Section 3. Cheat code number 1. Role prompting. This is the first big one. Role prompting. Instead of asking AI to do something, you tell it who to be. Example. Basic. Write me a resume. Cheat code. You are a career coach with 20 years of experience. Write me a resume for a marketing manager role that highlights leadership and measurable results. That one adjustment changes everything. Now your AI isn't a machine spitting text, it's an expert in the role you choose. Copy-paste recipe. You are a professional copywriter. Write me 3 Facebook ads for a fitness studio, each with a different emotional hook. Section 4. Cheat code number 2. Iterative prompting. Beginners think AI is a vending machine. One prompt in, one result out. Pros know it's a conversation. Example. 1. Give me 5 blog titles about real estate investing. 2. Now make them sound like YouTube clickbait. 3. Add emojis at the end of each one. Each round gets sharper, closer to what you want. The cheat code here? Never settle for the first draft. Section 5. Cheat code number 3. Self-improving prompts. Here's where things get wild. You can tell AI to improve its own answers. Example. Rewrite your response to be more persuasive. Now, expand it to 1,000 words. Now, explain it like I'm 10 years old. Suddenly, you're not editing by hand. You're letting AI rewrite itself until it hits your exact need. Copy-paste recipe. Review your response and improve it by adding 3 real-world examples and making the tone more conversational. Section 6. Cheat code number 4. Meta prompting. This cheat code will blow your mind. Meta prompting. Instead of guessing what to type, you ask the AI to design the prompts for you. Example, I want to create a YouTube script about personal finance. Suggest 5 prompt variations I could give you to get the best script possible. Now the AI tells you how to talk to it. That's like asking the teacher to write the exam questions and then hand you the answers. And yes, it works. Section 7, cheat code number 5, frameworks. AI loves structure. So when you give it frameworks, it gives you sharper results. Some classics, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action for ads. PAS, problem, agitation, solution for sales copy. FAB, features, advantages, benefits for product descriptions. Copy-paste recipe. You are a copywriter. Write a product description for a smartwatch using the PAS framework. Instant structure, instant clarity. Section 8, real-world examples. Let's bring this to life. Business owner. Use role prompting plus frameworks to generate ads. Then refine with iterative prompting until it's in your voice. Freelancer. Use meta prompting to brainstorm deliverables, then self-improving prompts to polish them before sending to a client. Content creator. Use iterative prompting to test 5 different hooks, then frameworks like AIDA to turn them into scripts. With just 5 cheat codes, you're operating like a pro. No engineering degree required. Section 9, bonus cheat code, context stacking. Here's the bonus most people overlook. Stacking context. AI thrives when it knows the big picture. Example, here's my business. I run a coaching program for new real estate investors. My audience is 30 to 45 years old, ambitious but short on time. I want content that motivates but also teaches. Now every prompt you write inside that context gets sharper. Think of it like handing your AI a map. Without it, it's wandering blind. With it, it knows the destination. Section 10, why cheat codes work. Here's the psychology. AI is a mirror. Vague input equals vague output. Clear input equals clear output. Structured input equals powerful output. Cheat codes hack clarity. They shortcut the guesswork and tell AI exactly how to shine. Section 11. Prompt recipes you can steal. Content planning. You are a content strategist. Create a 2-week TikTok content plan for a fitness coach using trending hooks. Sales emails. You are a sales copywriter. Write 3 email templates for re-engaging past customers, each with a different emotional trigger. Learning. You are a teacher. Explain blockchain like I'm 12 years old, then again like I'm a college student. Productivity. You are a productivity coach. Turn this messy to-do list into a clear schedule with priorities. Section 12. The bigger picture. AI isn't replacing you, it's scaling you. Think about it. One person with the right prompts can do the work of 5. That's not science fiction. That's today. If you're in business, prompting can mean faster marketing. If you're in school, it can mean clearer study guides. If you're in content creation, it can mean endless ideas. The real question is, are you using the cheat codes or are you still playing with one life left? So, no, you don't have to be a prompt engineer. You just need cheat codes. Role prompting, iterative prompting, self-improving prompts, meta prompting, frameworks and bonus, context stacking. These are the shortcuts that let you prompt like a pro today. And remember, don't just watch this video. Copy these recipes and test them right now. That's how you level up. If this helped you, hit join, like, and subscribe. It helps me keep making content like this, and it helps more people discover the power of AI. Share this video with a friend who's still typing weak prompts. They'll thank you later. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions, reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the wrap